Okay, so I have a Belgian Malinois 6-month-old puppy. She's got really big paws, actually. And I want to talk about putting the Ruffwear shoes on her. Now, Shepards, whether they're German Shepherds or Malinois, sometimes people keep the Dewclaws with them because of their agility to climb things, and they need their Dewclaws. So she's got her front Dewclaws, and I'm going to be putting the shoes on. And there's a problem with the Shepherds and putting shoes on because the shoes will irritate their Dewclaws. So what I'm going to be doing, and she's got big paws, so these are the 4 toddler to 5 toddler socks. These are just regular kid socks for toddlers. Hanes. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to double the sock. Double them for each Dewclaw. And then for the back paws, she just gets 1 sock. So we're going to go ahead. I'll just show you. Put that on. Make sure that their claws are nicely trimmed and filed so that it doesn't cut into the side of their paw. So that goes one. And then here comes the other one on top of it. I'm just going to do like one here. There we go. I like to pull them up. Make sure that, like I said, make sure that their Dewclaws are trimmed and filed so that if it does push on, it won't cut into the side of their claw. Then hers are trimmed. I trim hers myself and file them. And then we'll go ahead and put her shoe on. And then tighten the shoe. There you go, that's the first shoe on her. I'm going to do all four. What I want to say is make sure that that Dewclaw is not going up or anything. Make sure it's tucked nice and flat against her. There's that one sock. Here comes her other one. Because it doesn't really matter what. I like to double them because they cushion her feet for the shoe. And these are long enough to cover her Dewclaws and go up. Go ahead and put that on. See how it's up here? And then go ahead and tighten her shoes. And these Ruffwear shoes have vibrant soles. They will protect her pads from running on the outside on the concretes. And it will prolong her running life. She's 6 months old right now, so. Now for the back one, she doesn't have any Dewclaws. So it's going to be only 1 sock per in the back. 1 is fine. Come here. Come here. Move forward. There we go. And outside it just snowed last night, so definitely want to try to keep her paws as dry as possible. Her paws are like sponges. When they get wet, they just soak up water. I mean, I could actually squeeze her whole paw and like a sponge, and it just like. One thing about putting the shoes on is make sure that they're tight enough to not fall off. Make sure you get the correct measurements. These are actually a little loose, so I tighten them, but with the sock to cushion it's fine. So she's got all her shoes on, and we're gonna go for I'm not sure exactly how long we're gonna go. It actually snowed last night, so I'm not sure how icy it is, but hopefully we can do at the minimum 4 miles. Also, another thing about puppies and running puppies, if you have a high energy dog and you think they can do, you know, 6 miles or more, she actually can do 6 miles. What her vet told me was, is to just watch her, and if she starts like slowing down and tries to walk, that's her limit. So you know exactly where her limit, your dog's limit is. But she still has energy when we hit 5 miles, so she's still going and she's perfectly fine. So we're gonna be running.